Okay, so I'm going to run the RO plant in automatic now. So there the low pressure pump starts up. It's going up to 35 hertz. You'll see on those. These tanks are filled, anti-scalant, 25% anti-scalant, the rest water, biocide, 50% biocide, 50% water, sodium hypochlorite, clean sodium hypochlorite, no dilution. Let's check here, the flush valve is open, that one is open, the connectivity is 139.3. Now the high pressure pump is starting up. Now it's going to make a lot of noise. Let's go through the system. So 6 bar. So dosing pump 1, anti-scalant. Running. Dosing pump 2, biocide, it's running. Dosing pump 3, sodium hypo is running. So dosing pump 1 and dosing pump 2 is dosing 1 and 2. Dosing pump 3 is dosing at the end of the system at the product line. I'll show it later on. So here's the pressure at the low pressure pump. It's 2.5 bars. Here's a conductivity meter. I'll go back to that at the end. So the water flows through this membranes. Goes through here. Through the system. Goes into the inside. Goes out. Follow this line. Goes up. Inlet valve. Through here. See this inlet valve is in an open position. Pressure here is higher, 2.5. Then this is a pressure switch. This is the high pressure pump. High pressure pump discharge. Pressure is 6 bar. The pressure switch. All the water goes through here. Goes through here into these membranes. Filter stage 1. With all these going down. Goes through. Till the end. It comes out here. Filter stage 1 out. Follow that line. Goes up here. Into the second stage of membrane filtration. You see the pressure here is also high. Goes through these filters. And then these in conjunction, first stage and second stage. Go through the clean. Go out. Into this pipeline, you see all the membranes. This is clean product water going down here. Follow this line. Goes out. Up. Up. Through and out. See there's 47 cubes an hour. Here this one is at 10 cubes an hour. We can open this a bit more wastage at 10. So that you have 20% wastage. Here you'll also see the pressure on the discharge line. The waistline, which is quite high. So we're going to open this a bit more, that pressure is going to drop. We don't want that, we want this at 10. And then let's go back to the conductivity meters. So here you see, here's the sodium hypochlorite dosing point. This is to kill any bacteria which is left in the system. And And here's on the product line the second conductivity meter. So going back to the panel, the second conductivity meter. So that is the conductivity going out, which is 81.6. The conductivity coming in is 1,422. And that's it. Here you'll see explaining how you should make up the chemical, reference to the exact chemical. Likewise on each of them, dosing tank 2, dosing tank 3, the reference to dosing tank 3, 2, and 1. And each one is labeled as well on the specific dosing tank. I'm going to shut down the system. As you see, it's ramping down. You see the hertz on both the high pressure pump and the low pressure pump is going down to 0. And you obviously hear the sound that it's much quieter now. It was the chemicals that we filled up the tanks with. And just to show you that we've done it. I'll show you a next video of the low level switch for protection of the low pressure pump to stop, and then the high level switch outside in the tank for the system to stop if the reservoir is full, which is here. So the high pressure at the high level is a float valve inside there. You see that nozzle. And then on this side, that tank, there is that nozzle there for the low level to protect the pumps from running dry. This line. That's a CIP tank. That's a whole different system that we'll also explain thoroughly in the O&M manual.